I would have loved to see Obama versus Trump.
Me too. I agree.
And first of all, Obama versus Trump in 2008, Obama wins hands down.
Well, yes, definitely.
So I love how this is a boxing talk.
Yeah.
Now, when 2016, Obama has a bunch of, he did Iraq and Afghanistan.
He's vulnerable, though. I'll tell you why. DACA. That's what nobody ever talks about in the Obama-Trump thing. Don't forget, Obama takes his 2012 victory, basically says, oh, the GOP even now agrees with me on immigration. And then he does DACA and he legalizes, X million in a number of illegal immigrants who are brought here as children. That also fundamentally changed the immigration consensus on the Republican side because they were like, wait, holy shit, you can just do that? Because we don't agree with that at all. And that really ignited the base as well. So I'm not sure. I mean, a moment I think about a lot with Trump and just like being able to unleash the rage of the Republican base is in the 2012 debate, Candy Crowley was the moderator with Mitt Romney, and she fact-checked him famously. This was when fact-checking was shocking in a presidential debate. And she said something about Benghazi, and she was like, no, he did say that. She corrected Romney on behalf of Obama. To this day, it's questionable whether she was even right. And Romney was just like, oh, he did? Okay. Trump would have been like, excuse me? Be like, look at this woman. He would have gone off. And I was like, and I think about that moment because that's what the Republican base wanted to hear. But also it turns out America had a lot of festering feelings about the mainstream media that it needed unleashed. And Trump was just this incredible vector to just blow up this system, which, I mean, if you ask me about optimism, that's the thing I'm most optimistic about.
Don't you think Obama had a good sense in how to turn it on, how to be anti-establishment correctly?
I will not deny that he's one of the most talented politicians literally to ever play the game. And he is, just unbelievable rhetorical talent. Look, as a counterfactual, would he be more talented than Hillary? Yeah, okay, no question. in terms of anybody would have been for that one. But at the same time, all the signs were there. All the signs for the Trump victory and for the backlash against Obamaism kind of as a political project, it all existed. If you, like I just laid the tea leaves out there, from 2012 to 2015, in retrospect, it's the most predictable thing in the world that Donald Trump will get elected. But it was crazy in the moment. I got to live through that, which was really fun, professionally.